Have you ever wondered how to protect the things that matter the most to you? Are you confused about how to get an insurance quote? Today I'm going to make getting an insurance quote simple and clear. I'll show you exactly what you need to do and how the process works. I promise that by the end of this video, you'll understand how to get the right insurance quote for your specific needs. First, let's talk about what you need before getting an insurance quote. For an automobile insurance quote, you'll need your driver's license, you'll need your driver's license number, the vehicle details, the make, model, the VIN, or what they call the vehicle identification number, and how many miles you plan to drive a year, and where you live. And if you're looking for a homeowner's insurance quote, we need some details from you about your current home, like the name of the owners, the dates of birth. If this is a home that you now own, how many years you've owned it, how many claims you've had, if you've had any, and what type of pets you have in your household. And if this is a new home purchase, where you live now, the address of the home that you are buying, and if you have any pets. We may also need the age of the home, square footage, and any updates to the roof, plumbing, and heating, and any safety features. But most times we can get this information from the many sources that we subscribe to. And there are different types of insurance to consider. Car insurance keeps you protected while on the road. Home insurance guards your home against unexpected problems. Business insurance protects your company, and life insurance protects your loved ones. The quote process is really straightforward. You share with us your information, then we look at things like where you live and your history and what you want to protect. By the way, we do not share the information that you share with us with anyone. And all insurance companies pull an insurance score when you first apply for an insurance quote. Your rate is sometimes based on your insurance score, which includes your financial history, like credit card payments and regular payment habits. All insurance companies get this information from a service called NexusLexis. And all insurance companies believe that your insurance score is a good prediction of how likely you are to file an insurance claim. The higher the insurance score that you have can help you lower your insurance rates. Then we create an insurance quote for you. Some quotes take only a few minutes, while others might take a little longer. Now, when you receive your insurance quotes, it's important to compare them carefully. Some policies may offer more protection, while others might save you money with different insurance deductible options. Think of it like choosing between a light jacket or a heavy coat. Both work, but one might protect you better. After picking your insurance, completing the paperwork is easy. All of it can be done electronically to save you money if you choose. Your broker will explain when the insurance starts, how to make payments, and what to do if you need to use your insurance to file an insurance claim. Remember, choosing the cheapest insurance quote isn't always the best choice. Think about what protection you really need for your situation. Please reach out to our experienced team for free no obligation insurance review. And remember, your insurance broker is with you for life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you're notified the next time we post a video. Stay informed and stay protected. Thank you for watching.